Steganography is the practice of concealing information within other types of data, such as images, audio files, or text, in a way that is not immediately noticeable to a casual observer. The goal of steganography is to hide the fact that a message is being sent, rather than to hide the content of the message itself. Steganography is often used for covert communication or for embedding secret messages in public data. It can be used for both legitimate and malicious purposes. Some common examples of steganography include hiding messages in the unused bits of image files or in the least significant bits of an audio file. There are many different techniques for steganography, and the method used depends on the type of data being concealed and the intended recipient. Some common techniques include least significant bit, LSB, method. This method involves hiding the secret message in the least significant bits of an image or audio file. This technique is often used because small changes in the LSBs are not visible to the human eye or ear. Spread spectrum. This technique involves hiding the secret message in a noise-like signal that is added to the original data. The noise-like signal is carefully designed so that it does not significantly affect the original data. Text-based steganography. This method involves hiding the secret message within the text of a document. This can be done by changing the font size or color of specific letters, or by using specific words or phrases to convey the message. Overall, steganography is a powerful tool for hiding information and can be used for both legitimate and nefarious purposes. It is important to be aware of the existence of steganography and to use caution when receiving files or messages from unknown sources.